Hey guys, I'm a state certified driving instructor. I teach adults and teens. We're going to be driving through a school zone, some neighborhoods, and talking about turns. So the first thing I need you to do when you're driving, you want to be careful in parking lots. There are a lot of people here. You want to be aware. You should be looking left, middle, and right. You want to take your time. Always looking around for cars backing out, cars pulling in, and we want to signal our intention. We're going to come up to the edge of the road and pause. We have a stop sign, but we've stopped, but we can't see, so we got to move up. It's called showing the car. And then we make our turn and turn out slow. If you're learning how to drive, this video is for you. We're scanning, looking ahead, and trying to be as safe as possible, anticipating hazards, cars, potholes, speed bumps. When you're learning how to drive,